Here live with the Urban Camper with my new Ducky Duck friend, Ducky Duckerson, the Mad Quacker. Check him out. Ducky the Ducker. Quack, quack, quack. Look at Quack it. He quacks on command. It's Quacky the Quackerson. I think he's getting ready to go to sleep. Oh, he's sleeping. Little Ducky Duckerson's getting ready to go to bed. I think this is what ducks look like right before they go to sleep. See some hard guy on my side. You cannot get this on National Geographics. Duck snapping. Look, he's tightening up, Eyes shuttered. He's getting ready to go down for a nappy nap. Boom, cluck. Duck cluck. Can't get this nowhere else. Where else can you get ducks sleeping? But live with the Urban Camper. Like this is